Hello everybody, today is October 3rd, 2016. It is currently 8:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And as you can see, this is major Hurricane Matthew. As you can see, it is currently moving north-northeast towards Haiti, and will likely strike Haiti either tonight into tomorrow morning, and then will go and impact Cuba and then the Bahamas, which are up here. As you can see, this is the forecast track, and then the watches and warnings, which they did not show for everywhere else. This is going to be an extremely dangerous storm, so don't think of anything like, oh, it's not going to hit me. Don't worry about it. Well, if you live on the East Coast, you are in danger. If you live south of North Carolina, monitor the storm because you could be impacted by 100-mile-an-hour wind, which can destroy trees, destroy your house, destroy a mobile trailer, create storm surge. And it's not going to be like Ike, but if it was like Ike, have storm surge up to around 10 feet. So this is going to be extremely dangerous. As you can see, it is currently south to south-southeast of Haiti. It is going to go and move north-northeast to north and impact this peninsula right here, as a very strong Category 4. And then later go on and impact Cuba tomorrow, and then Wednesday, the Bahamas, and then Thursday and Friday, Florida, and then possibly Saturday, the Carolinas. Now, there are hurricane warnings for Haiti, Cuba, the Bahamas, tropical storm warnings for the Dominican Republic and Jamaica, and then hurricane watches, everything in pink, which is Cuba and the Bahamas. Now, this area right here by the Bahamas, Central Bahamas, where it was impacted by Hurricane Joaquin. That was a Category 4 last year. This is going to be Category 3 storm when it hits, and they are predicting 10 to 15 feet storm surge and very, very large amounts of rain. Haiti is forecasted to get isolated amounts of 40 inches. Now, as you can see here, here is Hurricane Matthew on the satellite imagery. As you can see, it's moving north-northeast, and it's moving at 7 miles an hour, as you can see if you go down here. Nope, 8 miles an hour. Very strong and intense storm. Nice little eye. The tropical storm and hurricane force winds are... The tropical storm force winds reach 185 miles away from the center, and they are impacting Haiti, and the hurricane force winds are 40 miles away, which will impact Haiti also, and Cuba and the Bahamas, and possibly Florida. It all depends. Now here is the microwave imagery, which shows you the temps of... It just gives you a better idea of the storm, its eye. As you can see, the eye wall is gaining here, and then it weakens, and then it just dramatically explodes. And that's just heading towards Haiti, for Haiti. As you can, this is the, here, oh, wait, what are you doing? This is the GFS model right here for the Caribbean, as you can see. Now, the GFS has it as a weaker storm, but it right now has a millibar pressure, or pressure at 940 millibars. This one shows 993, so it's way stronger than what they are showing here. But as you can see, it goes, impacts Haiti. The GFS doesn't show landfall, but it's going to hit just east of Haiti, and then go and hit the extreme eastern tip of Cuba, and then later go into the Bahamas on Wednesday, impact them, bring them 10 to 15 foot storm surge, and then comes extremely close to Florida. As you can see right here, it goes. The dark brown right here, the darkish orange and yellow, that is 60 knot wind plus. So it could be hurricane force or very strong tropical storm force winds right along the Florida coast, and then impacting Florida And then here's Melbourne right here, and Cape Canaveral, impacting Cape Canaveral and Melbourne, and then just hugging the coast. So basically the main threat for today is just hurricane force winds, some tropical storm force winds, and excessive rainfall and all that for the Haiti and Cuba area. And then Florida is another 3 days away. Hurricane Matthew. Here are the wind speed probabilities. As you can see right here, 100% chance for Haiti and Cuba and the Bahamas. But the closer the storm gets to Florida, the higher these probabilities will go up. But right now, if you live in the St. Augustine to Jacksonville, the St. Augustine area, you have a 40 to 50% chance. If you live in the Cape Canaveral area, you have a 60 to 70% chance. And if you live in the West Palm Beach area, you have anywhere from a 50 to 70% chance. Jacksonville, they have a 30 to 40% chance, but the closer the storm gets, the higher the probabilities will be if you are in the tropical storm force wind threat. I just wanted to give you guys a little update there. This is an extremely dangerous storm, as you can see. So you guys better keep your eyes on this storm because it could be a Cat 3, and this storm could be inching closer and closer to the Florida coast. You don't have to be hit directly by the eye. As you can see in this picture right here, tropical storm force winds reach very far. Tropical storm force winds can pull down trees. It's lots of rain. Can still give you up to 4 to 5 feet of storm surge. And if you live in Haiti, mudslides and more rain because of the mountains. The wind goes up, hits the mountains, and goes and creates more clouds and rain. So this is an extremely dangerous situation, and you have to watch this storm because it could be impacting you. And it's unfortunate to say there will be fatalities. It's going to be very sad. And Haiti's going to get slammed by the storm with maybe Category 4 strength. It depends how close. Now, thank you for listening. And if you live in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and the Northeast, watch this storm for the upcoming days if you live in the U.S. If you live in Cuba, Haiti, or the Bahamas, you should know that you're going to get impacted one way or the other, either with strong winds, storm surge, or excessive rainfall. Thank you, and have a very nice day. And more updates will be coming. If you guys do like voice talkovers, please put in the comments that you like those better than the regular video with the music in the background. Whatever you guys like, I'll do. Thank you, and have a very nice day. As I said, it's 8:31 p.m. October 3rd, 2000.